I pause the music.
Wow, I got quite the rumble in there. Go to our garage. Can you see what cars we got?
Yep.
How long is it going to be? Oh. About a minute? Okay. I hear one of them speakers crackling.
Yeah, you can just start when I'm there.
I thought you could just pause the game and go to our garage.
I can't.
Oh.
I have to drive there.
Oh, shit. Ouch! That Camaro doesn't like you right now. I just want to see the Trans Am in this car. I want to show this car. Oh my God, that thing looks good. Oh, it's scratched. Oh, you just fixed it. The 240, all them cars aren't bad. We're going to paint that soon. No, I just want to shut the video off, but show the cars, show the back end. So Mom can see it. Okay, fair enough. All right, go to that Camaro. Good. Go to the other cars. Just give a once over on the one exterior on all the other cars. Yeah. Okay. Nice. Hey, that brings back. Didn't I tell you to do that plate that way?
Oh, that was already.
Oh, and then I said straight 6 that's in them, and then it's like, oh yeah, that's pretty crazy. I remember porting a couple heads for them things. Yeah, that's not bad either, boy, I tell you what. Damn. All right. Thanks, man. See, I'm gonna probably put the door on it, make the door have some characteristics on it as well, and then once I do that, then I can pull the top off, carpet it inside, and then once I do all the carpeting, I can I'll finish up the flame pattern over here, and then put some race decals on the back. But I'm going to end up doing some AFX racetracks on top of this later on at a later date. But yeah, it came together quite well, so pretty darn happy with it. Just a PS3 base, Logitech G27 force feedback wheel, shifter shifter, and then there's a center console of a 2002 Monte Carlo. The seat's out of a 94 Cutlass. And he just painted it for us. That's pretty badass because he just earned a bunch of money. So yeah, this thing's been having a lot of fun with it. So I think the finished up video will be when it's downstairs and all set up, put it back together, because I'll have to disassemble all the components and you know, put it back together, and that's where she'll stay. Digging it.